Good morning, it's Monday the 28th of July 2025, and this is the Simpson Dryer. And this is a brand new washing machine. Did you know if your power point's turned off, you save $1.80 per appliance per hour? That's right. When your power point is switched off washing machine dryer, you save $1.80 per appliance washing machine dryer. Now, if you're drying clothes in the dryer, using $25 every 90 minutes. If you're using a washing machine, cold water wash, using $8 per hour. If you do hot water wash, using $15 per hour per wash. That's 63 minutes or whatever you have it to. $15 hot water, $8 the cold water. Thanks for watching. You've been watching Matthew's Technology Kiwi YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. The power is yours.